Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MP badang sujab hage election MP nakaseng Congress Natura Parliamentary Constituency bolong ru UMLA ka Gambegere Constituency Saleng is Sangma ulaong baka jingkeren jong menteri rangba ka jela Assam o Himanta Biswa Sarma hadin balade ban penbana ye result MP par halor ka jing rem jong ki kertong ke NPP kade naka daw jong ka Niam pat kam de shu ka badang thamai namar ha ka por bayalap election ru ula keren pat kumno ula pensitom bat penjinjari ki pat Kristan ki ba syong basa ha Assam bat sngodon kam than ban yakren namar ka jingkren jong uhimanta ka peni kumba udon jingduna ha ka bor Pyrkhat usaleng ula ong ba uhimanta tang ba ukren ki kitin kin tho bat kin shot persya ye ki Kristan henry ulale ye ka jo ka kam wat ye ki reungat muslim ru bat umdei ban Kynnoh baka de na ka daw jong ka Niam ka rukom bat ka jingat ba ke NDA kamshim la job Meghalaya na baro artli ki parliamentary constituency.
Unique victory. So what can you attribute to the success? You said people, but what way you campaign, the idea, agenda, all this?
No, there was no such agenda. It was the truth that we have spoken. For example, now we talk about the Manipur issues, we talk about the minority issues, we talk about no issues happening in and around. And then moreover, the negligence of the state government and the local, the MP then. That's what we have just tried to flush out and then speak the truth. We didn't make any promises or make an agenda, but the thing is that we made promises that definitely we will be looking after how they try to bulldoze our Christian community and then all the minorities and all other sections of the people, not only within the state, outside the state also, and then outside within the country.
Some CM says that religious line it went campaign.
You see, some CM himself has talked about the religious during the election. Have you not seen that one? That they will try to do away. You have already seen about the how Assam CM has already done away with all those religious areas. Okay. Now, why to talk much about it? Because I think he's becoming a little bit of mentally disordered. He himself has talked about the religion during the election campaign, and before that also he has done away with lots of Muslim communities. You have seen it openly. So why he is blaming the religion right now? He should not have blamed it actually. That's why I'm telling you, he might be having some mental disorder regarding this one.
How can you say that he's having a mental disorder?
Because he himself is repeating the same which he has already spoken against it before. You have already seen it. He said that he doesn't need Mia, he doesn't need this and that. He was speaking openly against, the functioning of the particular religious doctrine. Now, how can he speak that, that Meghalaya or like Manipur, Nagaland has played those kind of role? That's why. This is the simple reason.